Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of vulnerable: sensitive to emotional or physical attack or harm. For example, we were in a vulnerable position. American pronunciation: vulnerable, vulnerable. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Vulnerable. Say, vulnerable. Vulnerable means exposed to possibility of being attacked or harmed, either physically or emotionally. Vulnerable. Vulnerable. Vulnerable origin. Late 17th century. From late Latin vulnerabilis to Latin vulnerare, Latin vulnerare, to wound, Latin vulnus, wound, in the vulnus. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Children are particularly vulnerable to teasing, which can cause great distress. Now, repeat after me. Children are particularly vulnerable to teasing, which can cause great distress. The second practice. These are among the most vulnerable, fragile and threatened habitats in Britain. Now, repeat after me. These are among the most vulnerable, fragile and threatened habitats in Britain. Visual representation of vulnerable. Vulnerable means sensitive to emotional or physical attack or harm.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.